Tinanggal.
Siguro natanggal na hindi nakalaan.
Pwede na eh.
Where's Lolo? Where's Lolo?
I don't know. Are they getting ready? You try the one, the Superman one. You tell, pwede man tong Superman na katong tigda. Wala mato.
I just wanna do it normally.
Okay, normally. You wait for it. Oh, ready? Doon na po, akit.
Are you ready? I'm not scared.
Okay, beginners.
Come on, let's go. Hello. Come over here. Let's go.
Baby, picture muna, baby. Tingnan picture muna. Picture muna kayo.
Okay, dito muna. Dito.
Picture. Ito, lolo.
Okay. Okay, picture. Okay.
1, 2, 3, smile. 1, 2, 3.
Let's go.
One more to, baby. One more to.
Okay.
Excited?
Yeah?
Sever muna, sever. Okay. Hold on, one more.
One more.
Last. Okay,
Okay.
last.
Okay, kayo po, dalawa.
Okay. Oh, dito. Over here.
No.
Okay. There you go.
You took a picture? Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, just the two of them.
1, 2.
1, 2.
Okay, go upstairs na.
Okay.
Go upstairs.
Ito po, lolo.
Nick, you're going. You're not coming.
Okay, bye-bye. Okay, anything guys? Baby. Wait. Okay, be careful na.
Who's anak? Hello.
Be careful na. Okay?
Okay.
Be careful.
Wait. Let me pause for a second.
Be careful.
I am being careful. Gusto niya kami zipline? Wala na okay.
Okay, wait.
Hey.
We'll wait.
Tapos na kayo mag-bike?
Wala pa. Saan ba natin dito?
Mag-bike pa kami. Not you. Hey, ma'am, yung tatlo, ma'am. Tatlo. Sabi mo, zipline kami. Doon natin yung zipline.
Just close your eyes and open them.
Mamaya na.
Okay. Okay, now you're scared no more, right?
Kaagad yan, bago mauna lang tayo ng iba.
Ano sila ito?
No, sir.
Sayang bayan.
Mm-hmm. Shiko.
Yeah, you go first, okay? You go first.
You're not scared no more.
I'm not scared no more.
So, you're not gonna,
Gusto mo kaya ito baka mahulog?
no. Oh, baka, dyan pa yung nahulog. At least nakala.
Are you still scared?
Hindi mahulog yan kasi lang.
Are you still scared?
Scared because it's cold. Yan, ipasok mo kaya. Para nakalikot.
Are you scared if you look down?
Oh, you scared
Yeah.
if you look down? I'm not gonna look down because it's gonna be...
I look down
Oh,
when
you
I
look
do
down?
that.
Oh, wow, you're not scared. Oh my God.
Ito, ano?
Because the plants are so
Zip li-
pretty.
zip line. Ito, zipline kami na tatlo.
Chivas are gonna go zip line.
Oh, ganun pala yan. Three.
Kasi di lang tayo.
Oh, Doda. Dito na.
Once you step lang po.
Over here.
Yeah, zip line na dito. Pwede ka magpunta na kami, ma'am.
Me first, remember? You said you're going to first.
Yeah, so you go first.
Di ba zipline ito eh? May zipline na po?
I already zip
Yeah,
lined.
yeah. So ano lang. Kanina may kasama, sabi niya, I'm not scared no more. I am
Pero sir, unahin natin yung guardian sir. Yung guardian bago si ate.
Andiyan, siya lang mag-isa.
Siya na isa.
Siya mag-isa. Oo.
Pero may zipline kayo lahat ma'am.
Oo.
Sige ma'am, unahin namin yung guardian ma'am. Yung guardian bago siya ma'am. Para may kasama siya doon na malaki.
Oo, ako na muna.
Sige sir. Ate, Lolos
Lolos
first ha.
first. Lolos first.
You do like
Okay.
that?
Kanina
siya yung
Oh, yeah, pero now, she likes it.
You're gonna do it alone?
Yeah?
Wow, brave!
Hello. Just sit down.
Hindi ka lang naka... Okay, so ready. Ready?
One, two, three.
I thought he was scared. He's not yelling or saying anything. Me
Okay.
next.
You're next. Okay.
This is nice.
Sweet, sweet.
It's actually very hard.
Okay, sit down.
Stop.
Down. Relax.
Please. Let's open our eyes for a second. Okay.
Okay. Okay. One, two, three, play.
Sige. Ate, look yun, ate.
Hi. Daddy, this is so fun.
Yay! Wow, you're not scared.
Bumalik ka na,
Don't scare anymore.
Yeah. So saan kami pupunta?
may hagdan sa likod sir. Akyat kayo sir.
No, but
Yes, sir.
wait.
Okay tayo.
You ready to lift?
Okay, dala yan natin ha.
So I'm gonna bring
We'll wait.
this.
We'll wait for auntie. Okay? Come, over here. Hintayin namin yung missus ko.
We're gonna slide up there today.
Yeah, but we'll wait. Oh, see, that's auntie. That's auntie. Look.
I can see a pink dress.
Yeah, that's right. Oh, right there.
She's coming.
Yeah, she's
She's
coming. Oh, you know what? I should brought my camera. Woo! All right. Oo. Ngayon, maglalakad na lang tayo hanggang doon. O, tara.
Let's go.
Okay.
Upstairs.
Then we'll go up.
Akala ko dire-diretso.
I'm gonna go up.
Okay, wait. I'm gonna hold it. It's too heavy enough.
Masarap sila.
Masarap, oo.
It's nice.
Yeah. Okay, I'm holding it. What's your step? Yeah, yung pagpanhit. Sige, tangan ka lang. Walang tanganan mo. Saka mataas ang ano? Ang mga steps. Be careful anak. One step at a time, okay?
Hello, good afternoon again.
Hello.
Hi.
Okay. 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 You go first anak ha?
I'm gonna go down here.
Okay. Okay.
Who's first?
Now you go first.
I go first?
Yes. You excited?
Yeah?
You're not scared?
I'm not scared anymore.
Yeah.
Wait.
Okay.
How strong are you?
Okay. Sit down. Then hold on. Hold.
I just hold this.
Oh, no, no. Hindi na ako.
Hold this.
Hold it. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
You're ready? Okay.
I go for
Turn
it
me.
before I...
Okay. Just watch the view. Okay.
Hi! Woo! Hi! Papa! I know how to use this! I'm going backwards! Okay, oh!
Sweet ate.
I told you I was not gonna be crying or scared.
Scared?
No? I was not.
Look at the camera here.
Ano ka camera baby?
Victory dance, victory dance.
I was saying I was gonna do it. Now the second one's gonna come. Jesus coming. Next.
A victory dance again, B.
Hello.